Growing up, I believed that our sun was a giant ball of burning gases. And the type of burning that I imagined was similar to this one, a combustion reaction, where there is a fuel and the fuel reacts with oxygen to give out heat and light. But as it is evident now, that's not what's actually happening in the sun, but rather nuclear fusion reaction, where hydrogen in the sun's core is fused to become helium, in the process releasing tremendous amount of energy that's simply not easy to fathom. But that's not to say that hydrogen isn't combustible. Given the right amount of energy, hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. Although this water in itself is naive, the reaction is highly exothermic. This being the reason why hydrogen can be explosive in nature. And this being part of the reason why hydrogen-powered electric vehicles are not as popular as their battery-powered counterparts. So today, I'd like to demonstrate the explosive nature of hydrogen using a simple experiment. But first, let's make some hydrogen. For this, I have a crude setup here, using which we are going to make hydrogen. So for this, we'll need a bottle of water, some aluminium foil, and drain cleaner. Let's start out by making this aluminium foil into small bits so that it will fit into this bottle. Next, we empty the contents of the drain cleaner into this balloon, using which we'll be capturing hydrogen. Mixing all of it together and waiting for some time for the reaction to carry out itself, we end up with a balloon filled with hydrogen. If this is supposedly filled with hydrogen, and if hydrogen is less dense than air, why doesn't this float? Well, I tried with some other balloons which are lighter and it did float. But this one, I think the density of the balloon itself is a bit high, it doesn't float. But there is one way to find if this is really hydrogen. So that's all folks, I hope you enjoyed this short video on hydrogen. So until next time, this is me, a Amateur. Goodbye.